play. E is for elephant, stomping so loud. F is for fox, sneaky in the crowd. G is for giraffe, so tall and grand. H is for horse, galloping on land. I is for iguana, climbing a tree. J is for jaguar, fast and free. K is for kangaroo, hopping so high. L is for lion, king of the sky. M is for monkey, swinging around. N is for newt, crawling on the ground. O is for owl, hooting at night. P is for penguin, waddling just right. Q is for quail, tiny and sweet. R is for rabbit, with ears so neat. S is for snake, slithering by. T is for tiger, with a fierce eye. U is for urial, a wild mountain sheep. V is for vulture, flying so steep. U is for whale, big and blue. X is for X-ray, fish shining through. Y is for yak, fluffy and strong. Z is for zebra, with